March 2019 mathematics paper 1 from Andhra Pradesh paper. I'm explaining this because in this layer like 20 MCQs part B. I'm explaining part B. Now here the first question is 20 MCQs, each carries half mark. The first one is n of A equals 8, n of B equals 3, n of A intersection B is 2, then n of A union B. See, to solve this there is a formula like n of A union B equals n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So n of A union B they are asking. So n of A is 8, n of B is 3, n of A intersection B is also given, which is 2. So 8 plus 3, 11, 11 minus 2, which is 9. So the correct option is C. Next question. Here discriminant of 6x square minus 5x plus 1. So discriminant formula is b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. So just we need to find b square minus 4ac. Here ax square plus bx plus c. If we write the standard equation, ax square plus bx plus c, if we compare, the value of a is 6, b is minus 5 and c is 1. C is 1. So if we substitute here, b value is minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 6 into 1. So 5 square is 25 minus 4 into 6, 24. So 25 minus 24, 1. So discriminant value is 1. So the correct option is A. Sum of the zeros of a polynomial. See, it is a quadratic polynomial. So sum of the zeros is alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So if you compare with the standard one, like standard equation just now I wrote here, ax square plus bx plus c. So a value is 1 here, b is 5 and c is 6. But the total sum of the zeros minus b by a. So minus b is 5 by a is 1. So answer is minus 5. So the correct option is B. Which of the following is not irrational? See, root 2 is irrational, root 3 is irrational, root 5 is irrational, root 4 is not irrational, it is rational, because root 4 value is 2. Root 4 value is 2. So the correct option is C. One root of the equation. So here the equation is x minus 3 by x equals 2. So if you take LCM x, so you will get here x square minus 3 equals 2. So x square minus 3 equals 2x. So x square minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. So here if you will factorize this one, x square minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. So 1 into 3, 3. So x square minus 3x plus 1x minus 3 equals 0. X if you will take common, x minus 3 plus 1 if you will take common, x minus 3. So x minus 3 into x plus 1 equals 0. X minus 3 equals 0. X plus 1 equals 0. So x equals 3, x equals minus 1. So we don't have in this minus 1. So x equals 3 is the correct answer. So correct option is C. Next one. Here this now in Telangana we don't have like GP for this exam. But if A, B, C are in GP, suppose 3 terms are in GP, then A2 by A1 will be equal to A3 by A2. A1, A2, A3. A1, A2, A3. Like in AP, A2 minus A1 equals A3 minus A2. In the same way, in GP, A2 by A1 equals A3 by A2. Common ratio will be same. So according to that, like A by 4 equals 9 by A. So A square equals 9 into 4, 36. A equals root 36, which is plus or minus 6. Correct option is B. Next question. Total surface area of a cube. Total surface area of a cube is 96 centimeter square. Total surface area of a cube formula is TSA is 96. Total surface area of a cube is 6a square is 96. A square equals 96 by 6. A square equals 6 times 1, 6 times 1, 6 times 6, 16. A equals root 16, which is 4. I'm not taking plus or minus because surface area edges cannot be negative. So A is 4. Volume formula is A cube, 4 cube. 4 cube is 64 centimeter cube. Correct option is B. Next, logarithms. Log 0.001 0.001 to the base 10. See, whenever it's a decimal, my advice is like write in terms of fraction. For 0.1 after 0.3 digits, so 3 zeros to the base 10. Log 1 by 10 cube to the base 10. Log 10 to the power of minus 3 to the base 10. Here I'll use the formula logarithm of power, that is log a power m to the base x equals m log a to the base x. So here in place of m we have minus 3. So minus 3 log 10 to the base 10. Log 10 to the base 10 is 1 because logarithm of a number to the same base is 1. Minus 3 into 1, so answer is minus 3. Correct option is D. 22nd question. If alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of a cubic polynomial. So cubic polynomial formulas like sum of the zeros is minus b by a. So for this the option is C. Sum of the product taken 2 zeros at a time is C by a. So for this it is B. And product of the zeros is minus d by a. So C, B, A. C, B, A. So correct option is A. Next one. The next term in the AP. See, it is already in AP. We need to find the next term. So first, before that, try to write these terms in like simplest form. So it will be easy to understand. First one is like root 3. Root 12 you can write as like 4 into 3. And root 27 you can write as 9 into 3. So, or 3 into 3 into 3. Choice is root 3. Root 4 is 2 root 3. Root 9 is 3 root 3. So, you have first term root 3. Common difference is a2 minus a1. 2 root 3 minus root 3. So, 1 root 3. Common difference is root 3. So, we need to find, see already 3 terms are there. So, I need to find fourth term. A plus 3d. A is root 3. 3. Again common difference is root 3. So total is 4 root 3. But see, it is not there in the option. So send this 4 inside the root. Like so 4 into 4 into 3. Because see 4 into 4 is again 4 root 3. So 4 into 4, 16. 16 times 3, 48. So root 48. So correct option is D. Next question. The shaded region. Here see, this complete box indicates universal set mu. So everything is shaded except B. So from mu, they have removed the circle like B. So mu minus B. So correct option is C. Next one. 5x minus 3 represents, see degree is here 1. If degree is 1, it is linear. If degree is 2, quadratic. If degree is 3, cubic. So correct option is here A, linear polynomial, because degree is 1. Common difference of the AP. Okay, first simplify these terms. See, log 2 to the base 2. Log 4 I can write as log 2 square to the base 2. Log 8 I can write as log 2 cube to the base 2. So log 2 to the base 2 is 1. Logarithm of power you can write as 2 log 2 to the base 2, and here power is 3 log 2 to the base 2. I already explained logarithm of power in the previous MCQ. Like log a power m to the base x equals m log a to the base x. A power m to the base x equals m log a to the base x. So here 1, this value is 1, so 2 into 1, 2. This value is 1, so 3 into 1, 3. Now this is the first term, second term, first term, second term and third term. So the common difference will be a2 minus a1, 2 minus 1, which is 1. So the common difference is 1. So the correct option is A. Next question. The sum of n odd numbers. Sum of n odd numbers. So here, see, take the odd numbers and use SN formula. So sum of n odd numbers is 1, 3, 5, so on. Here A is 1, D is A2 minus A1, 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. Now SN formula, sum of n terms, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N by 2, 2a, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1, which is n minus 1, common difference is 2. So n by 2, 2 into 1, 2 plus 2n minus 2, 2 cancel. Next step, n by 2 into 2n, 2 again cancel. N times n is n square. So the correct option is B. See, if you do for sum of even numbers, you will get n into n square, n plus 1 or n square plus n. This is sum of n natural numbers, famous formula given by Gauss. But for this sum of n odd numbers formula is n square. You can simplify like this. So correct option is B. Next MCQ. The quadratic polynomial, next one. The quadratic polynomial whose zeros are, this is alpha, this is beta. Whose zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. So see, here you can simplify in this way. Like first do sum. Sum is alpha plus beta, if you do, which is root 2 minus plus of minus root 2. So root 2 minus root 2, 0. And if you do product, alpha into beta, root 2 into minus root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2, plus into minus minus 2. So sum is minus b by a, product is c by a. So from here you can get the values of 1, a, b, c. If you compare, the value of a is 1, b is 0, 0 is minus b, c is minus 2. So standard equation is a x square plus bx plus c. So here a is 1, x square, b is 0, c is minus 2. So x square minus 2. So the correct option is A. Find the number of zeros of the polynomial. See, number of zeros, to find the number of zeros where this graph cuts x-axis, like number of points the graph cuts x-axis. So it cuts at 1 point, 2, 3. We need to see only x-axis. They have to mention in the question that p of x. So it cuts x-axis at 3 points. So we'll get 3 zeros. Correct option is D. And next one. The line 2x minus 3y equals 8 cuts x-axis at. So 2x minus 3y equals 8 cuts x-axis at. So at x-axis y value will be 0. So 2x minus 3 into 0 equals 8. 2x minus 0 equals 8. 2x equals 8. X equals 8 by 2. X equals 4. So the point will be like x comma 0 on x-axis. So 4 comma 0. Correct option is D. The volume of a cone whose radius is 3 and height is 8. So volume of a cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now see, they gave the answer in terms of pi, so no need to substitute the value of pi. 1 by 3 pi, r is 3 square into height is 8. So 1 by 3 into pi into 9 into 8. 3 times 1, 3 times 3. So 8 into 3, 24 pi. 8 into 3, 24 pi. Just we need to know the formulas. So correct option is again D. Here the lines have no solution. No solution means the two lines are parallel. No solution means parallel. So condition for parallel lines, A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2, and it is not equal to C1 by C2. So here A1 is 6 by K equals 2, and the coefficient of y is here 1. Cross multiply, you will get 6 equals 2K, K equals 6 by 2, K equals 3. K equals 3, so the correct option is A. Next, if the equation x square plus 5x plus k equals 0 has real and distinct roots. Real and distinct roots. So real and distinct condition is discriminant will be greater than 0. Discriminant is greater than 0, which is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Here, if you compare with the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, the value of a is 1, b is 5, c is k. So 5 square minus 4 into 1 into k is greater than 0. So 25 minus 4k greater than 0. So 25 greater than 4k. So 25 by 4 is greater than k. So k is less than 25 by 4 is greater than k. So k is less than 25 by 4. Here see, if you divide this 25 by 4, 4 ones 4 6 24, 4 twos 4 5. So k is less than 6.25. Correct option is B. See here, when it is inequation is greater than, less than, something like that, then you do like when it is variable is negative, first change the variable, make the variable positive. Okay, then simplify. If you'll send minus 4k is greater than minus 25, and if you cancel minus minus, you will not get the answer. So in inequations, when the variable is negative, make it positive, then start solving.